Ayush, can you please tell me something about these sweethearts?
So cute and yet so.
What made you choose the name Ski for this girl?
She looks like she was born on mountain, but no, she was homebred.
Yeah, and it's a very rare thing to find a rabbit who is this color, right? Grey and white.
And homebred.
Man, she's very cute looking. This is the first time ever, honestly, I think we got swayed by the cuteness. In terms of, yeah, she looked quite, this thing, she looked quite adorable and she was the only one sitting in her cage. And really, homebred rabbits look different from they look
And this is a natural rabbit.
natural rabbit. This one. I think even this rabbit we got from that same shop, no?
Oh no, we got him from.
That
Oh yeah, we got him from the same shop.
Same shop, really? You think so?
The shop opposite of the opposite.
The opposite of the opposite. From where we buy the pellets.
No, this shop when we got her, that was where we got the pellets.
Yeah, we got him from there also.
No, we didn't.
Where did we get him from? I don't remember.
We got him from the.
That first shop when we go, the shop that is farthest away. That regular pet shop.
No, we don't.
We didn't get him from there.
Yeah, we got him from that oversized cage
Which one oversized cage, Kutu?
in shop.
Which one? That
one-
where we got Bonnie from?
No.
No. Then
Okay, can we just stop where we got him?